Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on using the line tools and different line commands in AutoCAD. Same thing would apply in AutoCAD architecture. First off, we have the line tool, the standard line tool. If you go to the home tab and then click on line, you can choose the line tool, which is just a line. The hotkey for that would be L, enter. Then you need to click to define a start point, and then you could either choose a direction to move. If you notice, it would snap horizontally and vertically. If you choose to go at an angle, you could press F8 and you would get a free range of wherever you need to place the second point. So we go and leave it with the constraint on. The next thing would be to either click a point, or if you need to be more precise, you could click a start point and then put in a value such as 12 feet. If you notice at the bottom here, you would see 12 feet. You could actually go on and put in inches also, so 12 foot 6. With inches, you don't need to put on the inside. You could just type in 12 foot 6 and you get 12 feet 6. Press enter. If you press escape, this would be a 12 foot 6 line. You could use the dimension tool, 12 foot 6. Now, the difference between a polyline and a line tool, if you do lines like that, what you basically get is 4 individual lines. However, if you do the polyline, you would get one full line that would take the entire shape of whatever you need. In order to draw the polyline, you could use same under the home tab. You go to line, you select polyline. You could start at one point. Same thing as you did with the line tool, with constraining to horizontal or vertical. Or you could press F8 and you could place it wherever you need. Also with distances, 15 foot, notice 15 feet. Here, press enter, 15 foot line. So you could also come in and do PL, enter, which is the hotkey, start point, 12 feet, we come 10 foot down, we go 17 feet across, 15 feet up, and then you could come to snap it to this point here. Now if you're not getting a snap option when you hover over the last point, you could come down to this button here or press F11, and now you would get this X that will show up at the top, allowing you to snap directly, horizontally or vertical to the point that you hovered over last. So you click there, press C to close the line. This would give us one complete polyline. In terms of drawing arcs, you could come up to this point and you can see like an arc, and this would be more of a free form arc. You could also use that feature with the polyline. So you could go PL, enter, click on a point, we have a straight line. Now if you need to get a curve here, you could press E for arc, enter, you'll get a curve. You could come back and snap it to that point, press enter. Now if you notice, you still have the arc command, but we want to do a straight line to finish here. So you could do L, enter to bring back the line, and we just click it back in, and there you go. We have a doorway. We'll stretch it out and rotate it. And you have an archway. So, simple way to use some of the line commands in AutoCAD. We'll see you again next time.